yeah, yeah, yeah. If you don't know what this song is, you need to listen to some Sam Cooke. If you don't know who Sam Cooke is, do yourself a favour and go listen to some of his stuff. Fantastic singer, brilliant singer, great songs, old school, really simple, 3 chords, beautiful. What I've done here is I've just made a little arrangement for the intro that you hear the piano do on the original recording. That makes it a little bit more challenging rather than your just standard 3 chord strummer. So I'm going to take you through the intro very, very slowly, but rest assured everything after that is very, very easy. It's a fast and easy lesson with an extra challenge. So download your chart and let's get going. The chords are C, G, and F. And you can play those as open chords, you can play those as bar chords, you can suit yourself as you like. In the intro, I've used kind of an F major 7 to help with some of this melody that the piano does in that intro. Let's go. Land on the C chord. Use your open E string. Then put this G major triad here down on the 5th, 4th and 3rd frets, D, G and B strings. But grab the open E string at the same time, so you're going. If you're playing with a pick, put your pinky on the 5th fret B string and strum that, and then lift it off to the 3rd fret, same effect. So you can do this with a pick or with fingers. I find it easier with fingers because you get to articulate a few of the different strings a little bit more easily, but you can absolutely do it with a pick if you take your time and work your way through it. So let's go again. There's the F major 7. Again with that open E string. A really fast little triplet hammer on and off here from 1 to 3 and back to 1. And finish on that G major with the added 3rd fret on the E string there. So I'll play it all the way through again once slowly and then we're into the chords. Now the chords are dead simple, like I said, and the strumming is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the very last strum before you change chords, you can lift your fingers off and keep strumming, hit the open strings, land on the next chord cleanly and neatly on the beat like this. So the verses are like this, very simple. C, if you ever change your mind. G, about leaving, back to C, then down to F, leaving me behind. Chorus is like this. Oh, bring it to me, bring your sweet love, bring it on home to me, yeah, yeah. That simple chord progression goes through for the whole 4 verses and choruses. So you basically just repeat that section, that 8-bar pattern 4 times for the whole song. Your strumming, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Probably should call this a 12/8 song. Back to the verse. That is it. That's the entire thing all the way through. When you are ready to fade out, it actually keeps following that verse chorus pattern with the vocals going yeah, 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 over the top of that and it just fades out. You can end it any way you like. Beautiful song, Sam Cooke. We're going to do some more Sam Cooke songs soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.